Do you want to achieve freedom in life? Do you want to succeed? Do you want to live with freedom? And do you want to have a happy, joyful, fulfilled, and free life? Of course, you do. We all want that. But what if I told you that if you want to live that free life, if you actually want that freedom, you need to be very responsible and you need to know that nobody is going to do anything for you. Are you responsible enough? Are you serious enough to achieve that freedom and to get all of that you want? Let's find out. The truth is, if we expect other people to do things for us, like when we are children, we expect our mother and father to take care of us. We expect them to provide us with food, shelter, and all of those things, and that is okay. But when we become adults or when we try to prospect in our careers, when we try to grow in our careers, that is not how it works. We need to find our way through. We need to pave our own path. And there's no set route that somebody else will build for us and that we just have to walk on. We cannot do that because at the end, our life is our responsibility. And if we don't take that responsibility, we won't be able to achieve success, live with freedom, and live with happiness and joy. My mom has always given me and my brother a lot of freedom to pursue whatever we want to. I am pursuing my journey in content creation as a blogger, as a writer, as an author, and my brother is also pursuing his passions. But since childhood, she has only told us one sentence that I still remember by heart and I always follow. Freedom comes with responsibility, and that responsibility is of doing everything for yourself. She tells us that we need to make our own decisions. We need to find our own way out because this is the choice we made, and if we want to be successful, we need to do that. It doesn't apply to me and my brother, it applies to you, me, and everyone else watching this video as well. Freedom comes with responsibility, and until and unless we don't believe that we have to do everything for ourselves, nobody else will do it, we will not achieve success. An American Indian businessman, Sunil Gupta, recently told this story on a podcast, and he said, when we moved to America, we had two choices. One was to live in a neighborhood where a lot of Indians lived, and the other one was to live in a neighborhood where a lot of Americans lived. Our mother asked us, which neighborhood do you prefer? Both him and his brother said, we guess that going to the Indian neighborhood would be better so that we don't have to face racism or other kind of problems. What their mother did was, she deliberately took them to the neighborhood which was full of Americans and not a single Indian family. And she told them, your life is your responsibility and you need to find your way out to deal with racism, deal with hate comments, deal with bullying and whatever comes along with living there, and find your own way out because nobody else is going to do it for you. In the same way, we all need to remember this statement. If our goal is to achieve success, let's say in writing, if you want to become a successful author, your mom, your dad, or your friends won't come help you in marketing or help you in writing your book. You have to do all of that yourself. You have to go through that grind yourself. If your goal is to reach at a top position in the corporate ladder, you need to do it yourself. Nobody is going to give you favors or nobody is going to do other things for you until and unless you don't work for yourself and you don't believe that I am the only one who is in charge of my destiny. If you believe that other people will do something for you, you are letting them and you are letting circumstances control your life, and that way you'll never get to success. Because to get to success, you need to control your own life. You need to start by developing great habits and you need to take charge, and that will only happen again when you believe that nobody else will do anything for you.